everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is the Greerco 1L model laboratory homogenizing mixer, and as you see we have a small tank with water in it as a test. We're going to do simply here, we're going to lower the unit down. It has a completely adjustable stand, allows it to move in and out, up and down. You want to always lower your mixer well into the fluid. You should be near the bottom of the tank. And we're going to lower it down a little bit more and then tighten it in right there. Now we're going to start up slowly. Now this has an adjustable deflector plate and the umbrella deflector down at the bottom, which controls flow into the unit. We're going to drop this down because otherwise it'll splash a lot. The deflector plate will control how much you see, control the flow up through the head. We're going to turn it up. This is a 1/2 horsepower motor with a 7,500 RPM maximum speed. As we lift the deflector plate up, you see inside a little bit, Jim. You'll see the fluid, the spray start coming up a little bit. And the deflector serves to push that down and control that, helps return the material back to the head. Greerco, as a lot of you know, is the inventor of the homogenizing mixer, or pretty much that we know. Starting as Eppenbach in the 50s, and now today the Gifford Wood Company under the NOV company flagship. We have a few of these in stock, so for laboratory homogenizing, emulsions, aqueous and oil-based, always great tool. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.